say that the best things in life come for free. पवन, धूप, या फिर even माँ की गोदी. With my experience, I can tell you that financial data which we keep on looking around, is totally free. If you learn to use the financial websites in India, which provide us so much of data effectively, I think half the decision of yours will be done in a much easier way. So Omkara Capital thought of doing something, in the interest of everyone, the tools or the financial tools. And we are thankful to Ashish Chauhan who, agreed that BSE should teach us to how to use BSE website effectively in a very, very simple manner, so that every one of us benefit to find out those things. Maybe we don't even use them, and Anand Sethuraman is the man in charge from BSE. Anand, thank you so very much for joining us and making us learn this. You are our guru today, and we look forward to learn from you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bansal. I'm glad to be here, and I'm thankful for Mr. Chauhan for the opportunity, as well as for you two hosting us. And you're absolutely right when you said the best things in life are free. And I can tell you, I've been using the BSE India website for the last 10 years, and it absolutely contains all the possible financial information an average investor needs. So thanks to you, we have put this together today.
Anand bhai, पहले तो आप हमें आपके बारे में बताइए. हम BSE में बाद में जाएंगे. पहले आपके बारे में बताइए. आपने बोला कि आप 10 साल से यूज कर रहे हैं इस वेबसाइट को, और हमारा कोशिश ये रहता है कि हम इसको जितना इजी कर सके, हिंदी इंग्लिश जो भी आपका मन कर सके उसमें करिए. बट शुरुआत करने से पहले we will take some time to know more about you, कि आप कौन हो, आपका BSE से एसोसिएशन.
Yeah, so I'm an engineer by education, and my first job was investment bank. So that's when I first started using the BSE India website. So we used to look for a lot of company information and all that, and BSE India was always our first destination for any information regarding financials, shareholding, stock prices, and obviously the benchmark index Sensex. When you want to compare something, you compare with the Sensex, right? So that's how my first the use of the BSE India website came.
The first love.
First love, yeah. And then after so I worked for 5 years with my with investment banking. And then I got an opportunity to work with BSE India. So obviously, why not? So
when was it?
So I joined BSE in March 2016. So now it's been it is going to be about 5 years now.
Wow.
Yeah. So and I work with the research department in BSE. So mainly we look at research, policy, strategy, those kind of functions look at, me and within my team out here. We work closely with all the senior people at BSE.
Lovely. मेरे गुरु है उदिन मुखर्जी, उन्होंने मुझे एक चीज सिखाई थी कि whenever you look for data, look at the source of data. अगर मुझे कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन ढूंढनी है तो you go to either BSE, NSE, एनुअल रिपोर्ट पे जाओ, BSE, NSE या CB का वेबसाइट पे. डोंट गूगल इट कि आपको किसी ना किसी वेबसाइट पे कुछ ना कुछ डेटा मिलेगा या कुछ मिलेगा, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ द डेटा विच इज देयर ऑन अदर वेबसाइट्स. BSE इज द सोर्स, और NSE, BSE, CB इज द सोर्स जहां पे सारे के सारी कंपनीज इंफॉर्मेशन डालती हैं, राइट? और वहीं से वो रॉयटर्स, ब्लूमबर्ग, एस, वो सब डेटा वहां से उठाते हैं. सो जो सूत्रधार है, इट्स द बेस ऑफ द ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन. अगर आपको यूज करना आ जाए तो इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
You're right. You're right. As listed companies, they're all supposed to share all sort of information, right from listing, shareholding, financials on a quarterly basis. That too. So so as soon as the board results are out of any company, the first thing they have to do is upload it to the exchange website, and and the exchanges, obviously they just disseminate it as early as possible. So no, it's like literally like seamless. The minute the company uploads it on the exchange website, it is out on the company website.
Yes, yes.
It's there on the exchange website.
No, no.
Yeah,
So
like so,
honestly,
and
that
all information is there. Yeah.
yes, you're right. All information is there, and that lesson helped me a lot because you get authentic data, which is very important to make financial decision, which is very critical. So Anand bhai, I think you are our guru. आप please अपना screen share कीजिए. Let's start from the
Sure.
basics. Basics, you know, आपका वेबसाइट भी कैसे खोलना है हमें वो भी आता नहीं है, ठीक है ना? तो वेबसाइट भी
Sure.
बीएससी का नाम कैसे होता है वो भी समझा दीजिए. Then I will ask you, you know, I have made a list of few things. आई थिंक कुछ लोगों ने मुझे ट्विटर पे भी पूछा है, तो आई आस्क यू कि मुझे ये चीज ढूंढनी है
Sure.
तो कहाँ ढूंढूं. ये मैं अपनी टीम को भी बोलूंगा कि अगर मैं वो चीज पूछ रहा हूँ तो दैट विल कम एज अ फुटर और अ नोट, सो दैट हम जब बात कर रहे हैं लोगों को पता चले हम ये चीज ढूंढ रहे हैं.
Sure. Sure. Obviously, like so the first thing is to know about the BSE website, right? So the BSE website is bseindia.com. So that's like my first search. So this is the home screen. So I hope you can, you can see my screen out here, right?
100%, 100%.
So this is like the homepage of BSE. Obviously, like there's a lot of information out here, and I think today we are focusing on what is the investor related information, right? Like I mean,
हाँ, तो
company
यहाँ पे
related information.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे I can see lot of information, lot of pictures, lot of cakes, lot of advertisements, you know, which are there, ठीक है, which are
Yeah.
there. ठीक है, बट
Yeah, yeah.
बीएससी ढूंढने का तरीका आपने बता दिया कि bseindia.com.
Yes.
दैट इज थिंग. तो मैं पहला क्वेश्चन आनंद भाई और मेरी टीम को मैं बोल रहा हूँ, प्लीज वो नीचे फुटर होना चाहिए. अगर मुझे किसी
Sure.
भी कंपनी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, अगर मुझे किसी कंपनी के बारे में एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, यू नो, लेने के लिए कोई भी एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, जैसे रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज और टाटा
Sure.
स्टील और इन्फोसिस की, कई लोग बोले ना कि हाँ भी हम उस कंपनी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. आप कोई भी कंपनी उठा लीजिए, विच एवर यू लाइक, बिगर वंस, कि अगर मुझे उस कंपनी की इंफॉर्मेशन ढूंढनी है बीएससी वेबसाइट पे, कैसे ढूंढूंगा मैं?
Okay, so like I told you, so this is the home screen out here. Obviously, like you have your home, about BSC, investor relations, so on. Out here, the first screen you have is your, obviously the Sensex. I mean, 50,889, 890 today. So obviously, like this is like the benchmark. So it clearly shows the like the movement of Sensex. Now, as you go down, you have your gainers, losers, top turnover, trending, so on. I mean, and I will leave it to the not to the user to browse. So okay, so the first question was, I think, which company information. So I mean, you said Reliance Industries. So let's start.
अगर आप, if you want to take us through the website, we are happy with it, Arun. That's okay. You know, the gainers losers thing was good. You know, कि अगर मुझे I have to search.
Yeah. So like I said, like so this is your like your major indices out here: Sensex 50, Next 50, S&P, BSE 100, and so on. Okay, and the next tab out here is gainers. So obviously you have all your gainers today. I mean, this company GICRE went up by 20% today. So it gives you the moment. I mean, this is like real time information actually. So as and when the market moves, this table will keep changing. Your gainers, your losers.
So this is real time.
Yes, this is the real time. I mean, like so since the markets are closed the time we are recording this video, so this you have your biggest losers out here, your BHEL, Apollo Hospitals, Bank of India, and so on. So these are the biggest losers today. I mean, if you want a more detailed list, so you just go click on this arrow out here, and you have the complete list out here. So all losers today you have. I mean, if you want a very specific Sensex based companies, then you just like, obviously you can just click on index out here, and you have the Sensex. So you can just go. Submit. So all the Sensex losers you have out here like ONGC, Tata Steel. So the biggest companies, the top 30 companies, all the losers for 19th of February, you have it listed out here.
Got it.
The same way out here, gainers, you'll find gainers out here. So this is as simple. I mean, for any investor who's looking for on the information on gainers, losers on a real-time basis. So this is the screen where they should come.
So ये सारी की सारी जो वेबसाइट होती है, जो फाइनेंशियल वेबसाइट्स होती हैं, डेटा आपसे ही लेती हैं, right?
Yes, you're right, absolutely right. So it is all sourced from the exchange only. They obviously they get it on, I think, on a like a real-time basis. I mean, they have like exclusive feeds with the exchange. So, but it's the information is the same.
Got it. And the way you told that you can also select various indices or groups.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, like I said, I mean, someone looking for Sensex or say 100 or all cap or only like say auto companies. So we can just go click your S&P BSE auto, and that's it. Submit. So there are no like gainers today in the auto index. Maybe they all might have been losers today.
So I understood. So go to bseindia.com और नीचे आके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आपको एक सेक्शन दिखेगा जहाँ पे आप गेनर्स लूजर्स देख सकते हो, right?
Correct. You're right. Absolutely right.
Can we go back to that page?
That's so yeah. So
main वाला जो है.
So just go click on the BSE logo out here. It will just take you to the home page again. So if any investor wants to come back to the home page, all they have to do is just click on the BSE logo out here.
Got it.
This one out here.
ठीक है, तो let's go to the first question. Okay, now you told us about the gainers losers कैसे देखने हैं, and of course जो आपने 3-4 चीजें और नीचे बताई, right? If you can scroll down, please.
Yes.
Gainers, losers, top turnover, trending, listing, corporate announcement कैसे देखना है? We'll come to corporate announcement later, right?
Sure. Yeah. We will come back later.
हाँ जी, तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर मुझे किसी भी कंपनी का इंफॉर्मेशन देखना है BSE वेबसाइट पे, how do I see that?
So I think you want to know about Reliance Industries. Obviously, the biggest company in India, the top company. So all we have to do is a simple like a search out here. Just go click on get quote. Just search RELI. So you have the entire all Reliance companies out here. So just go click on Reliance Industries.
Very nice.
That's it. It's as simple as that. And
तो ये सब आ गया मेरे पास.
Yes. So
so help us to understand this. ये क्या चीज है? क्या चीजें मुझे मिलती हैं यहाँ पे? Like price देख लिया. What all are there in this?
Sure. So obviously you have like, so this is like the current price 2080.55. This is the homepage for Reliance Industries on the BSE India website. So you have a Reliance price, how much it is. So it has gone up by 15 rupees today or 0.73%. So this is like the latest. Again, this is a real-time information. So people want to like do it on a real-time basis. Like during market hours, it will be like going up and down as it moves out. So you have your previous close, open, high, so on. So like 3.99 lakh shares were traded today, or 83 crore rupees worth of Reliance shares were traded today. So out here, you have the 52-week high, 52-week low. So obviously, like I think March, I mean, this is during the COVID times. I think it has gone to 867 out here, the 52-week low now. And since then, it is almost like gone up by like 3 times now. So 2,368 is like the 52-week high. Obviously, it has come down a bit now, 2080. So, but this is like your like the price information, as you would say.
Correct.
So out here you have your company fundamentals. This is like the market cap of Reliance Industries, 13 lakh crore. And this is like the free float market cap. So free float market cap, obviously for investors, I would like to say is this is like the float which is available for trade on the exchanges in India.
True.
So yeah, so 6.6 lakh crore is what the shares are available for trade or with investors out here. So this is like your face value of Reliance is like 10 rupees per share, obviously. Your earnings per share, 40 rupees earnings. Your PE, which is your price to earnings, 50.7 is your PE, 50.8 price to book value, the return on equity, and so on. And out here you have your index, which obviously is the part of the Sensex. So the index information is out there. Which industry out here? Again, this is your oil and gas.
No, interesting, very interesting. अच्छा, मैंने कभी ये नहीं यूज किया आनंद, ये आर्काइव्स, ऐड टू वॉच लिस्ट, ऐड टू पोर्टफोलियो, ये क्या चीज है?
So if you're if a investor has, like, say he is tracking say some select stocks, say Reliance, he's tracking say TCS, Infosys. So all you have to do is just go click on add to watch list. Obviously, this is like a premium. You have to create an account if they are interested in a little more information out of the BSE website. But this we can take it up at a later stage of for now. So I think we'll just cover the basics for today, and then we can take it.
Paid hota hai? Is this a paid account?
No. This is not.
I have to just make one, but this is not a paid account, right?
No. This is not a paid account. They just look for certain basic information like you see here: name, last name, date of birth, email, and you can just like submit, and your account is registered out here.
Very good, yeah. This is a good thing. Honestly, मुझे पता भी नहीं था ये चीज का.
Sure. I mean, this obviously we can like go about in detail at like
बाद में कर सकते हैं हम लोग, but the point is that I can make my personalized watch list.
Yes, you can.
Like say money control हुआ या फिर कुछ और websites हुई.
Sure.
You can make here also on BSE. I can make my own personalized watch list, right?
Of course. You can make a personalized watch list, and again, I think you saw there was one more out here, add to portfolio. So you can also track only your portfolio companies. So any investor looking, they have like a portfolio of about 15 equity stocks. So they can just add all those to their portfolio, and they can like track it using the BSE Plus feature.
Very nice. So this is the end of question 1, where he told us कि अगर मुझे कंपनी का information चाहिए, stock information, stock information चाहिए, तो आप बस राइट हैंड साइड पे जाइए, कंपनी का 3 या 4 वर्ड डालिए, ऊपर डालिए, सर्च पे डालिए, आपको आ जाएगा. These are the basic information. आपको स्टॉक का मिल जाएगा आपको. Then he also told us कि if I want to create my personalized watch list, that is also available on BSE. जिसमें आपको 4-5 थोड़ी सी डिटेल्स डालनी है, तो आपका पर्सनलाइज वो सब बन जाएगा, राइट?
Absolutely right.
So now tell me please, second, how do I check the fundamentals of a company? Since we're talking about Reliance, let's talk about Reliance, right? अगर मुझे Reliance के fundamentals देखने हैं तो मैं वो कहाँ ढूंढूंगा, वो बता दीजिए.
So obviously, so out here you can see this is like the Reliance the homepage, like I said. So we just like scroll down out here. You see out here you'll have a small arrow out here. So if all you have to do is just go click on this arrow out here, and you will have more options on which will be available for investors out here.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so you're looking for company fundamental information. So the financials are as fundamental as it gets. So just go click on financials. The first thing you'll see is results and annual reports. Okay, so first we'll go to results. Just go click here. So you have your quarterly financials, revenue, total income, expense, PBT, EPS, all the fundamental information of any listed company on the BSE is where you'll get it. So obviously, so this is the first tab, which is like gives you quarterly information. As I mentioned earlier, every listed company has to provide all information disclosures on a quarterly basis. So quarterly is what is available out here. If someone is looking at a more long-term kind of a trend, so they can just go click on annual trends out here. So out here you have all like on an annual basis, 2000 FY 2020, FY 19, FY 18, and all the way back.
So Sorry, what is the unit?
All information is in INR rupees crores.
Okay, I can change it also. वो ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, or I can change the period also, right?
Yes. So if you go, so out here you can view, and so this is million. Sorry, if you this
Okay,
is
okay,
this.
okay.
So now you have in million, you have in crores. I mean, this is for people who are
Yeah.
like, say some people are comfortable in million, some people
Yes,
are comfortable in crore. And if you go click on prior period out here, so you'll get for like the, so you can go all the way, I mean, till 2007 for Reliance Industries.
Seriously?
Yeah, all the way. I mean, even so out here Reliance gives you a option of even like a longer period out here.
But again, I'll get last 5 quarters. Say if I want to start from say 2010 for last 5 quarters, ये कैसे आएगा? Just click anything.
Yeah, so you can just go say say someone wants to view for June 2013. Reliance, yeah. So there's just go click here June 2013. So again, you have completely out here.
So अच्छा, वहां पे तो ट्रेंड आ रहा था पहले मुझे 4-5 क्वार्टर का. यहाँ पे सिंगल आएगा मुझे.
Single. So this is for people who are looking for any particular for any one period. So this is how all the information. This is like the most comprehensive, or say sort of information you will have out here.
Nice. अच्छा, segments भी हैं इसमें?
Yes.
No, just go to the first page ना. Segment तो कहीं पे भी होगा, right? Like latest में भी होगा. Like standalone, consolidated देखना मुझे वो भी होगा इसमें.
वो भी है. So obviously, so you have your segment revenue, refining, petrochemicals, oil and gas, and so on. So you have all the segment information is available out here.
So आप शुरू से करके दिखाइए ना, but थोड़ा सा. Let's go to the results वाला section जो आपने दिखाया था हमें.
Sure. So obviously, yeah. So we're back to the home page out here. You have all your stock information, basic information, P, PB, industry, and so on. We come here to financials out here. We click on results. So you have all your, say, your quarterly information. If you want, out here. So this is like the basic, like your what to say, like your front screen out here.
But Anand, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा standalone है, consolidated है?
So this is all standalone information out here.
Okay, but
yeah. So if you go on consolidated out here, so a new page will or to say will so you have all standalone information out here. So you have all standalone. So result type standalone, segment you have. Just go. And if you want to go on consolidated, standalone, again you have out here.
हाँ, ये standalone आया है और consolidated देखना तो I have to press consolidated.
That's it, yeah.
हाँ, और segment कीजिए इसका.
Same segment out here. It's all at a click of a button out here.
Wow.
That's it. So this is as simple as it gets.
Yes.
Consolidated, standalone, segment. So right now you're in segment. Want to go to consolidated? Click on consolidated. That's it.
Nice.
So again, I think if you know, all you have to do is just go like explore this area out here. So you have all out here, annual trends, everything out here. Same.
So this is very nice that you can get a 5-year, 10-year, and of course, you can go wherever you want to go.
Yes.
10 साल पहले भी जाना तो आपको वो भी डेटा मिलेगा यहाँ पे.
Correct. Yeah, absolutely right.
नहीं, मैं तो अपना वो BSc plus वाला बनाने लगा हूँ अभी जाके, because अगर if I have to just watch my 10-15 companies, then I will have all the financials also.
Sure.
Everything, right?
Yes.
चलो, that is good. So आपने company fundamentals बना दिया और financials में आपने बताया. Can you go to the financials एक बार? So financials we saw only this
results. And if someone is looking for the annual report, so again you have to just go click on annual report. So you have the last 10 years annual report out here from 2010 onwards.
मतलब किसी भी कंपनी ने फाइल किया हुआ है तो आपके पास होगा ही होगा, बाकी सबसे पहले तो BSc के पास ही करना है ना फाइल.
Yes, सबसे पहले BSE के पास ही करना होगा.
So annual report यहाँ पे आ गया आपका.
Yes. So financials have obviously results and annual reports. So both the things are right out here in the financials page out here.
Got it. Very nice.
And if someone wants to download the annual report, all they do have to do is just go click out here. That's it.
Very nice. अच्छा वाह क्या बात है. So okay, I understood this part as well. Very good. No, I understood. I understood this part also. Now coming to the third question, shareholding.
Yeah, shareholding again, obviously, like, so people want to know. Excuse me.
Ji. God bless you. You can have water. So मतलब Reliance के पेज में लेफ्ट में बहुत चीजें हैं जो आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो.
Yes.
Financials, meetings, corporate action, shareholding pattern, you know, all those things you can explore.
Again, just come to the homepage. You have the entire list of all information. Just go click on shareholding pattern. That's it. It's as simple as that. So this table gives you the summary statement of Reliance Industries, the summary shareholding statement. Promoter, obviously, they hold 50.5%. Public, they hold the rest of 49.46%. If again, obviously, if someone wants to know a little more detail, okay, who are the public who are holding 49.46% of this Reliance stock, all they have to do is just go click on statement showing shareholding pattern of public shareholder. So again, like a new window opens up. So obviously, so this is Reliance script code whatever. Quarter ending December 2020 out here, which is it shows out here. So you have all the shareholders of Reliance, like the public shareholders, SBI Mutual Fund, foreign portfolio investors, your obviously Euro-Pacific Growth Fund or Government of Singapore, LIC. LIC owns, say you have LIC 5.6%. They they hold of Reliance Industries out here.
Got it.
Yeah, so it's as simple as that. Okay. Again, if you want to go statement showing shareholding promoter group. So who are the promoter group out here? So obviously, like the Ambani family, they hold out here. All the shareholders who have been defined as promoter shareholders, you have all the list of all the companies out here. So they all are promoters. They hold 50.54% of Reliance shares.
Nice. So this is the way to. अच्छा पहले का चेक करना हो मुझे तो ये तो लेटेस्ट है, right?
हाँ, latest है. So again, you just go. Out here you have December 2020. All you have to go out here is click on archives.
Oh.
So you have all the way till 2002 out here. All the way till Q4 2002.
Very nice.
June 2001 is the first thing you have out here. Just go click out here. So you have. So at that time, so in June 2001, 43.24 was the promoter shareholding. And now we are in December 2020. It has gone up to 50.5%, not like we saw just like a few minutes back.
Imagine the increase in the market cap.
Yeah, and obviously the increase in market cap, and the Ambani family has been buying Reliance shares, obviously, as seen from out here.
Yes, as seen from this. Nice.
So all the on a quarterly basis, you have all the information out here.
Got
on
it,
archives. Yeah.
अच्छा हम लोग शेयर होल्डिंग पे हैं तो एक और काम कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. आई एम जंपिंग वन क्वेश्चन. अगर मुझे प्लेज देखना हो, प्रमोटर्स का प्लेज क्या है?
Okay. So pledge information again out here. It will be available in. Again we come. So this is like this thing is like the main index kind. Everything you want to know will be out here. So the pledge information will be in out here. Disclosures. There are any insider trading information will be out here, obviously. And you ask for
No. Let's focus on this first. कि insider trading क्या है? 2015, 1992 इसका मतलब क्या है?
So insider trading 2015, as in this is just the difference in format actually, which has been specified by the regulator. So if you just, the information will be the same. This is as per the 2015 format. This is as per the 1992 format.
So I have to look at 2015 latest one.
Yeah, I mean this will be a little more simpler to understand out here. So if
this is what? This is ki, acha, this is insider buying and selling, right?
Yes, insider. So Mr. Vipul Shah has been categorized as a designated person. He is obviously acquired or disposed of whatever. He's acquired 1,000 shares worth whatever, like 18 lakhs worth of Reliance shares. Mr. Sanjay Kapoor, Mr.
Yeah, whatever.
Sheikh, yeah, जो भी है.
अच्छा, तो disclosure में जाके
disclosure insider trading 2015.
I can know who's insider buying and selling in the particular company.
Yes, in the for any company, you can like find out.
अरे आपके भी घर वाले ले रहे हैं. सेठू रमन है वहां पे, देखो अनुराधा सेठू रमन, अपर्णा सेठू रमन.
No, नहीं, sorry, but no, but we are not related to this Sethu Raman at all.
I know, I was joking, okay. Pulling your leg.
Yeah.
मैं बोला यार आनंद भाई बहुत पैसे वाले हैं, देखो.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. I'm by laws of BSE, I'm not allowed to buy or sell.
I know that. I was just joking. Yeah. But yeah, the point is कि insider buying या selling particular stock में कहाँ हो रही है, आपने बता दिया कि go to disclosures के नीचे insider trading 2015 देखने का.
Yes. And again, if you go to 1992 also, it will be the same thing. It is just in a different format. That's it.
नहीं, बट ये तो 2015 का डेटा है ना, ये तो
करेक्ट
नहीं है ना.
करेक्ट ये लेटेस्ट डेट 2015 के पहले आपको ये फॉर्मेट में मिलेगा आपको.
No, but if I have to see the latest one, so I have to just go to that only, right?
Yes, you are right.
But I can download the data in Excel or something.
Yeah, all you have to do is just go click on this arrow sign out here. So you just go click. So you have this Excel which is opened up out here.
That's very nice here.
Yes. All the information on the BSE website is easily available for download at a click of a button.
Very, very nice. So I can also choose the date. Suppose करो मुझे ये देखना है कि 1 फेब से लेके आप ऐसा करो ना, 1 फेब लो, 1 फेब 2020.
So 1st Feb 2015 or 21. 20 calendar. Okay. So all you have to do is
1st Feb or
3rd Feb ले लेंगे.
3rd Feb ले लीजिए.
So 3rd Feb
और मार्च, हाँ नहीं और 2020 में ही मार्च अप्रैल ले लीजिए. अप्रैल एंड. मैं कोविड टाइम में कितना माल लिया अगर कोई इंसाइडर क्या हुआ.
Okay. So some from Feb 3rd to 1st March. So this two. Yeah.
कोविड का टाइम था ना तब. देखो मुकेश अंबानी जी ने लिए था, देखो कितना एक्विजिशन किया था. देखो मुकेश अंबानी जी ने नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स 2 लाख शेयर लिए थे, राइट?
Yes, he has bought 2,68,000 shares on 27th March.
Very nice.
So the 23rd March was, I think, like the rock bottom of Sensex. From what I remember, 23,000, 24,000. That's for the rock bottom. And on 27th March, Mr. Ambani, his family, the promoters have bought shares of Reliance, which when it hit rock bottom.
No, it was smart, very smart. But the point is that you can get to know the information if you want.
Absolutely. On 27th March 2020 is the date. Exactly as soon as the securities are bought, it is the obligation of the company to inform the exchange, and that's what you have out here.
ठीक है. So now insider buying and selling का भी point हो गया अपना, right?
Yes.
Now we going to the 5th point कि मुझे अगर details चाहिए, कि pledging का details चाहिए.
Correct. So this comes in disclosure only out here. So all you have to do is click on pledge out here. So Reliance, so there are any records of any pledging of shares. So maybe we can take a different company now. So we can probably check for, I don't know. Let's see for Tata Steel. I think you said, right? So we can just see
Tata Steel.
Tata Steel. So again, you have Tata Steel out here. You come to the main window out here. Disclosure, pledge. So yeah, so out here again you have, so Tata Steel, there has been what is it, pledging. So you have promoter, holding, whatever, all the details, company, Tata Steel, obviously. The
यहाँ
reported
पे
date.
अच्छा, I get a पूरे का पूरा detail since last whatever period
Yes.
कि उन्होंने create किया, release किया, जो भी है सब
जो
पता
भी
चलता
किया
है.
हुआ, release creation जो भी है, date of invocation, number of shares, percentage of total capital, name of entity, number of shares, everything is out here.
Very nice.
Again,
so,
yeah.
Sorry.
Again, like I said, is again all available at a click of a single button. You can just download it, this information out here, and you have all the data in Excel format for your own, like, course analysis or any other information you may look for.
Nice. Got it.
Yeah.
So let's go back to Reliance only, because I think हम लोग Reliance के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, वो आसान रहेगा अपने लिए, right?
Yeah.
जिसमें हमें कोई pledge नहीं मिला,
Yes.
but we know कि अरे नहीं Reliance Capital Infra में मत चले जाना, हमें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा वहाँ पे.
Correct.
ठीक है. Now you taught us the home page जहाँ पे stocks का basic information कैसे मिलता है,
Yes.
कंपनी के fundamentals आपने बता दिए, शेयर होल्डिंग बता दिया, insider buying and selling बता दिया, financials and annual report तो आपने बता दिया.
Correct.
ठीक है. और ये peer fundamental comparison.
So obviously a peer comparison, obviously you'll have it again the same right below disclosures out here. Just go click on peer group. So,
but I can't change this ना कि अगर मुझे ना अभी honestly sometimes these are not right comparisons, you know, कि गुजरात गैस के साथ मैं compare नहीं कर सकता हूँ, या even if I say गुजरात गैस and I compare with say MGL IGL, but can I change the name of the companies?
You can't change out here select peers to compare, because these are the options you have out here. So you can probably remove certain options from your.
नीचे है ना ये enter security name.
Yeah, you can.
अभी suppose करो
Bharti Airtel maybe, since Jio.
Anyone. It's not a comparison, but चलो ठीक है.
That's it.
आप गुजरात, हाँ इसको निकाल दो. See, super duper.
Yes, absolutely right. Again, you have your quarterly, whatever, the price, these.
So I can actually compare 4-5 companies here, right? This way.
Yes.
वो से तो बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है यार, बाकी हम लोग तो ढूंढते रहते हैं ऐसे एक ही फॉर्मेट में आपका.
Correct.
You know, whatever sales, OPM, equity, नीचे है ना क्या कुछ है इसमें और? तो नीचे वो कि this is 52-week high, low, wow, price.
Shareholding.
सब कुछ है इसमें.
Yes.
You know, तो सब चल रहा है. So it's a nice thing. It's a very nice thing. I can't edit fields, right, Anand?
No, you can't edit the field. So this is like the basic screen which you will have. I mean, you'll have to probably, if you're looking for more detailed one, then you'll have to go to the individual company, download the financials, and then you can do a comparison in Excel. Like we said, every information is available in Excel format.
Got it.
Yeah.
Or annual trends, bonus and dividend, ये.
So same thing. So annual trends, again you have sales March, like this is like the financial year versus financial year. Bonus, so Reliance has given bonus out here in 2017.
ये भी very nice.
Yeah.
So if I have to compare say tech companies, this is important.
Yes.
Bonus or dividend का मालूम चल जाएगा.
Yes, you're right.
I think how many companies I can take? 4 or 5 companies, right? To compare peer group में.
I'm not sure of any limitations. No, you can probably I'm sure it will be like minimum you can probably take 5 at least.
कुछ भी ले लेना, TCS ले ले और Axis Bank ले ले, ICICI Bank ले ले. Okay, of course these are not comparable. Just to put in perspective.
Right.
Really, just put those as well, na, Anand bhai.
Yeah.
Just click all companies, ना, गुजरात गैस जो भी है करके देखते हैं ना कितना सब 6 कंपनीज नहीं आते. You can only 4 at a time.
4 at a time. So there we have a limit of 4.
4 limit. Very good. No, but this is very good. यार 4 companies compare कर लेंगे तो I think it's a good thing. अरे 5 आ गया.
I think Reliance plus 4 is what.
Reliance
yeah.
plus 4.
Correct.
So this is a good, very good information. Acha, I think abhi we can see delivery also intraday, right?
Yeah. So intraday delivery, again, you will have it out here in the so out here. So you have your delivery position out here. So 19th Feb, you have quantity traded 3,90,000, of which 77,000 or like 19.5% was the yeah. So almost like 80% all intraday.
So ये कितना time के बाद refresh होता है?
So this is, I think, the end of day for 19th Feb as of 4.
Intraday में मेरे ख्याल में 1 घंटे के बाद refresh होता है ना ये data?
हाँ.
1 घंटे के बाद ना?
Yeah.
Okay, so delivery is important क्योंकि जहाँ पे ज़्यादा delivery हो रही है, that means there is something good which is happening with those companies.
Yes, correct.
तो ये भी अच्छा है, ये अच्छा. I am making my screen also क्योंकि ये आपने जो comparison किया 4-5 companies का, whether that made sense or not अलग बात है, but that peer group comes here, right? Once I show.
Yeah, it comes here, and obviously if you click on this arrow, it'll it'll take you to the screen.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. अच्छा, block deal and bulk deal data कहाँ पे आएगा?
So block deal, bulk deal, again, you come to the main, the index out here. Just go click on block bulk deal out here. That's it.
Got it. So Anand bhai, in a very simple language, अगर मुझे कुछ भी देखना है किसी भी कंपनी का, I just put in the right window जो आपने ऊपर दिखाया, और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का जो ये आपका बहुत प्यारा बना हुआ है, इसमें मुझे सब कुछ आ जाएगा, चाहे मुझे वो कंपनी का इंफॉर्मेशन हुआ, फाइनेंशियल्स हुए, एनुअल रिपोर्ट हुआ, all those things, whatever I need, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, right?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Everything. I think you asked for related party transactions. I think it should be in corporate governance. So just go click here. So you have, this is so corporate governance. You have the director related information and disclosure.
ये नीचे नहीं ये ऊपर
यहाँ पे you're right. See यहाँ पे आके related party transactions. So there is no related party transactions out here as of now for Reliance Industries. यहाँ पे corporate governance में आपको यहाँ पे मिल गया. Composition of committee, meeting of board of directors, meeting of committees, everything is out here.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. अच्छा, मैं एक आउट ऑफ द सिलेबस क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, सिंपल सा. अगर मुझे if I want to see the now we focused on the individual company, right? हमने जो फोकस किया, एक कंपनी रिलायंस में फोकस किया, उसका सारा डिटेल्स आपने बोल दिया, फाइनेंशियल्स हुआ, शेयर होल्डिंग हुआ, प्लेज हुआ, बल्क ब्लॉक डील डेटा हुआ, इनसाइडर हुआ, सब हो गया, राइट? अगर मुझे देखना है कि आज के दिन में दो चीजें, बल्क और ब्लॉक डील डेटा आज कितना हुआ आज के दिन 19th Feb को, तो वो कहां देखूंगा बीएससी पे मैं?
So that again we go back to the home screen out here. So before we go to the pure bulk and block deal out here, so again, so this is like the main index of BSE. So this is like home, about BSE, investor relations, so on. So anything on the market level you want, you just go click on market data out here, and you go to market data again out here. So this you'll have, you get information about all the products of which are available, all the information on products of BSE. Right, from equity, index information, equity derivatives, currency, commodities, mutual funds, everything is out here. So since you asked for equity block bulk deals, so you just go click here. So you have obviously like the equity market turnover, market capitalization, bhav copy. So you look for like bulk deals. You just go click on bulk deals out here. And say you're looking for all bulk deals in say January of 2021. So you just go click on all market or any particular company you want.
No, let's search for today, 19th Feb.
19th Feb?
और
Okay,
18 फेब जो भी है, 18
okay,
टू
18th till
19।
18th. Okay.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, आज का शेड्यूल। अच्छा
तो कल 18th Feb को कल, so in all the companies का जितना भी bulk deals हुआ है, so you have it out here. Security code, you have the security, which is the company name, who's the client who is sold or bought. So S out here is sell and P out here is purchase.
ये
And the
दोबारा जाएंगे क्योंकि, सॉरी आनंद भाई, दोबारा जाएंगे, कैसे गए आप? फ्रंट पेज पे
sure
जाओ, फ्रंट पेज पे मार्केट,
market
नहीं नहीं,
market.
लेट्स गो।
So yeah, so we go to the BSE. This is the BSE homepage. So there is this option called market data. So just go click on market data out here. So in market data, you have all the information of all the products, equity, derivatives, indices, so on. So we are looking for information, right? So we just go click on market data again out here. तो यहाँ पे आपको all the products का all equity, indices, so on जो भी है वो यहाँ पे है. Just go click on equity. So equity के अंदर you have so much information. Again, you're looking for deliverable information, jitna gross delivery, settlement statistics, everything is out here. So for OFS, which is obviously we go to public issue OFS buybacks, you just go click on public issues out here. So all the securities which are out here, security name, issue start date, issue type out here. So we have say some from say Feb 1st till today Feb 19th, issue or say OFS.
अच्छा ये आ जाएगा जो लेटेस्ट है।
हाँ तो 15th to 16th में Salem Erode Investments का offer for sale हुआ है. So this is where you have the information within the last 10 days or 15 days.
got it. अच्छा, मुझे वो रिजल्ट्स पे बहुत फोकस रहता है, तो रिजल्ट्स का डेटा मैं कैसे देख सकता हूँ सारे का सारा, कि रिजल्ट्स किसके आए हैं, इन्वेस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन कहाँ पे आई है?
So again you go out here. So अभी तुमको देखना आज 19th. So this is how your results are like obviously going on. So you just go on the main homepage. You just go on corporate or announcements. All the information is out here. Just go click on more about corporate announcements out here. तो यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ आपको, this is like the home page for all corporate announcements.
बट मुझे इतना नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ रिजल्ट चाहिए, सपोज करो.
So again आपको सिर्फ रिजल्ट्स चाहिए, तो आपको सिर्फ रिजल्ट्स यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करना है. Say all results in say in Feb so far, Feb 1st till 19th Feb, only results you want. Just go click on submit. Obviously this is the result season, so you have too many results out here. So everything 19th Feb say onwards, all the information, all the results information you have out here.
So इसमें I don't know whether you have कि सिर्फ investor presentation हो.
So you can't like obviously like focus like only on what is it, investor presentation. So I think see, investor presentation is not required to be submitted to the exchange as such.
नहीं वो ठीक है, इसका एक कैटेगरी खोली है, आई थिंक इनसाइडर ट्रेडिंग वाला भी था इसमें, जो मैं पूछ रहा था ना. हाँ ये सो आई थिंक ये वाला सबका आ जाएगा, राइट?
यस सबका आ जाएगा आपको.
कीप द सेम डेट्स.
Same date.
So now this is insider buying and selling by all the companies.
Yes, or between the dates 1st Feb till 19th Feb. Plus you want any specific company, you just go click on, say you have Ashapura Minichem out here, right? So you just put Ashapura Minichem. तो Ashapura Minichem का आपको जितने भी सारे आए होंगे, दो है.
डिस्क्लोजर आ जाएगा.
हाँ,
insider buying and selling.
हाँ, yeah.
Got it. सो रिजल्ट्स का आपने बता दिया। अगर आप मुझे बताइए ना, अगर बीएससी का जैसे बोलते रहते हैं कि बीएससी का मार्केट कैप कितना हो गया, बीएससी का प्राइस अर्निंग कितना है, बीएससी का प्राइस टू बुक कितना है, वो कहाँ से मिलेगा मुझे?
Okay, so like I said, we go back to the main homepage. So
हम्म।
you want all the price earnings, price to PB ratio, PE ratio,
या
so on.
जैसे
Hmm.
स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स का देखना है मुझे, मिड कैप इंडेक्स का देखना है, सेंसेक्स का देखना है मुझे।
Okay, so we again go to market data out here. Market data again. So now we are looking for index related information, right? So we just go click on equity ke niche you have your indices. So you just go click on indices. So you have the first section out here is your index historical prices. Second is prices and ratio and indices notices. So we're looking for ratios, right? So we just go click on index historical prices and ratios. So obviously by default you have your Sensex ka your this.
अरे वाह।
And so पूरा आपको high, low, close, P ratio, PB ratio, dividend yield. Everything is available on a annual basis. Okay, but now specifically you want to look only in the last 1 year, for example. You just go click on 2020, 2021.
चलो मार्च का देखते हैं क्या रहेगा, ठीक है? मार्च
So
का
again, yeah, so you have right from April 2020 onwards, which is your financial year start. So financial year start में Sensex का PE ratio was 18.78. And as the index and the index ka close was 33,717. So as it has gone touch to 50,000, 5889, the P ratio has gone up to 35.
So ये मैं मिड कैप इंडेक्स, स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स का देख सकता हूँ?
Any index of BSE you can go click. It's a simple search out here. Just go click S&P 100. So you're looking for say mid cap index, right? So you just go click.
नहीं, पीएसयू इंडेक्स देखो ना, पीएसयू बैंक्स देखो। आई वांट टू सी पीएसयू बैंक्स का। हाँ चलो ठीक है, आप मिड कैप भी देख लीजिए एक बार।
ठीक है, मिड कैप आपको यहाँ पे दिख गया आपको।
Then we will do for PSU also because that is my favorite space.
So you have this information for mid cap index right from 15, 16. So this is, yeah. So your mid cap index, this is 24 in
डेटा गलत है यार, ये शॉर्ट टाइम पे पी रेशियो, बट दिस इज थोड़ा सा, यू नो, देयर आर फ्यू कंपनीज व्हिच आर इंक्लाइंड।
yes तो अभी it is बीच में because of ये टाइम पे this is screwing up the ratio actually.
बिकॉज़ कोई ना कोई ऐसा कंपनी होगा जो एक ही भाग गया होगा।
Correct but if you see on a average it is like 58 for Feb to for
The
Feb
point is you
21.
can get the data. I think price to book is still better or dividend yield is better.
Correct.
तो आप पीएसयू का खोलिए, पीएसयू का उसमें इतना होगा नहीं बिकॉज़ उसमें तो स्क्यूनेस नहीं होना चाहिए। बीएससी पीएसयू। हे भगवान, नो टाइम।
Right. So Sensex you saw was 35 and your PSU was at 9.89. So obviously like the PSU companies are not the flavor right now.
Then got it. So आपने बता दिया कि if I have to see for index also, then I go to the market data उस तरफ, और market data के अंदर market.
Yes, and out here you have to just go click on
इसमें क्या कुछ है यार, ये आपका बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे। इसमें क्या कुछ है, मैंने कभी यूज नहीं किया ये इक्विटी मार्केट टर्नओवर, इक्विटी मार्केट ट्रेडिंग स्टैटिस्टिक्स।
So all the information of all, so you have your historical Bhav copy out here, your market cap. Say you want to know, so recently BSE market cap went to 200 lakh crore, right? So we just go out here. So you have group wise, A group, B group, जो भी है. So the most, so this is the total. So 203 lakh crore is the market cap of all listed companies on BSE. So obviously यहाँ पे है all values in rupees crore.
So this is daily.
Yeah, so you have all the daily information also. Just go click on.
अच्छा, got it.
Yeah, go click here. So यहाँ पे आपको, if you just scroll down, so you have for April 2020. So April 2020 was the low, right, of the market. So यहाँ पे देखो, it was 129 lakh crore, and over till Feb, as of now, it has reached to 203 lakh crore.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Yeah. So this is how the market has moved as your like during COVID and post COVID. Obviously, this is the how the market has moved, actually, like the overall broad market.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
नहीं आनंद भाई आपने can you go back to the screen once again, the
market data.
उसमें कोई चीजें
market data is actually a very useful sort of this, where you get on a broader level of all, like not only company specific, but on a broader market level, all the information you will have out here. So the 30 most active securities in a month. I think what to say, users can scroll all these kind of things, gross deliverables, settlement, impact cost, jo bhi hai, VAR margins, advances and declines. I think was one of the questions you asked initially. So you just go click on advances and declines, right? So on a monthly basis, say Jan May of 1700 companies.
This is very good because इससे मुझे market का breadth मालूम चल सकता है.
Yes, you have your advanced decline ratio, so you have this as well out here. So obviously, I think March May, which was like there's just too much selling happening. It was like obviously your ratio is 0.72, and April people started buying again. So 1.5, and so you know where the market is. Or say how it is shifting. People are buying, selling at a broader level.
Good. Then I think we will leave to a lot of other people to explore this segment. As you said, कि market is a good thing, but I don't want to give tons of data to confuse everyone right now. So Anand bhai, आपने हमें stock specific अगर मुझे information search करनी है वो सिखा दी है, sector wise आपने समझा दिया मुझे, और मार्केट डेटा अगर आपको जाना है तो ये गिवन अस अ सोर्स दैट हमें देखना हो, है ना? दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मुझे वो देखना हो. इतना कुछ आपने बता दिया है. सो आई थिंक दिस मे बी इनफ फॉर टुडे. आई लव टू कंटिन्यू मोर एंड मोर विद यू, बट आई थिंक वी विल डू वन मोर सेशन, बिकॉज लेट पीपल एब्जॉर्ब इतना, एंड लेट्स डू द टूल्स BSc part 2 थोड़ा टाइम के बाद, until unless people come, and we will also take feedback from people कि उनको और क्या समझना है.
Yeah, you're right, Mr. Mansur. Actually, like I said, the BSc website is actually it's got like tons of information. People should like really explore first, and if they have any questions, we'll be more than happy to take it up at a later date, like you said.
Anand bhai, thank you very very much. I am sure कि this initiative of ours कि जो चीज फ्री में मिलती है उसको तो यूज करो और इफेक्टिवली यूज करो. इतना कुछ है जो आपको, क्योंकि सब कुछ यहीं से जाता है. एवरीथिंग गोज फ्रॉम द सोर्स, सो यू कीप ऑन सर्चिंग वेरियस वेबसाइट्स, बट सोर्स ही यही है. तो आप इसको देखिए, समझिए अच्छी तरह से, और इफ देयर आर क्वेश्चंस, आई थिंक ट्विटर पे आप या यूट्यूब के नीचे पुट अस एज मेनी एज क्वेश्चंस यू वांट. आई विल रिक्वेस्ट आशीष जी एंड आनंद जी पर्सनली कि एक और चांस दे दीजिए हमें सीखने का, and we will do a part 2 with Anand, with BSc, to take away all your questions once again. But thank you, Anand bhai, so very much for helping us to use BSc website effectively, so that we can get right information and make a right decision.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bansal. We're very happy to be here, and obviously, if viewers have any further questions, we'll be more than happy to take it up.
Thank you, bhai.
Thank you.